Terminal Soundjom, coming to take the Água Azul bus to go to Água Azul. I'm at the terminal now. This is the bus we are going to take to Água Azul. As you can see, it's 880 Água Azul. Let me scroll it a little bit for you guys to see. 880 Água Azul. That's the bus I'm gonna take to Água Azul. It's like, I don't know, it's like a waterfalls. It's like in Ghana, Accra, Boti Falls. I don't know where Boti Falls is located, but you guys all know Boti Falls, right? So I'm going there to see how that place is and explore as usual, guys. I'm waiting for the driver to come so that we move. Água Azul. Wow. We're gonna have fun, guys. Stay glued to your seats. Don't go anywhere. Keep on watching, okay? So in the on the bus, that's the bus, there's a screen here. They state the name of the, how do you call it, the name of the place you're going to. As you can see, can you see it? It's Água Azul. There is it, Água Azul. And also use mascara. It's obligated. You're supposed to use nose masks when you're taking the bus. Any bus you take, it's obligated. You have to use a nose mask before you enter, or else the driver wouldn't allow you to. Or the motorista. Here in Brazil, driver, they call them motorista. The motorista wouldn't allow you to do what? Enter the bus. Let's enter. That's the best part. You people think that in abroad or wherever you find yourself, over playing for baby, there is no bush, massa. Once again, there is bushes everywhere. There's forest everywhere. Okay, so don't think say. Don't think say wherever you find yourself, like you not see bushes or what. These people Campo, they are fan of this place. They like the green leaves and stuff. Sure. So you guys don't think that. Oh my God. So as you see, I'm on my way. I'm still in the bus heading to Água Azul. We're gonna have fun, guys. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun. Because that place is a tourist attraction, so like you pass through bushes and all that before you get there. People stay there, but it's like you're in a car and you're going to Boti Falls. You get me? When you say you see like bushes and all that there. So it's just like this place. When you're going there, when you're going to the Água Azul, you pass through some places like bushes. There you see bushes on the way, or forest on the way. before you do or before you get there. Oh my god, it's so nice. Isn't it so relaxing seeing all this? That's the signboard there. Let's go inside. So I'm walking to the waterfalls. The waterfalls. Is it waterfalls? Yes, waterfalls now. I'm going. I think I can hear the sound. Can you guys hear the sound of it? I can hear it. Is in shoe or something like that. Guys, I went inside, but unfortunately for me, there are some churches there. They are doing baptism. They are baptizing some people there, so I have to wait for some few hours and they will get back to me. I'll go in there for you guys to see what is going on. So I'm just waiting as a spot, coming to take some food before to wait for them to finish, then I get in. So guys, I'm at the entrance now, going to see the falls. Actually, it's not that big. I can see it from here. I don't know if you guys can see it. People come here to do to be baptized, sorry, and also to swim. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me go down there for you guys to Água Azul waterfall. It's totally small, but it's cool. It's cool. Wow.
Você não sai da mente, não. Brota aqui no meu barraco pra gente fazer amor. Tô sentando. Tô com saudade de ti, deixa louca de beijo de amor, chamar de safada, no espelhado suado, nós dois suados, é puxão de cabelo, é tapa na rola. Eu tô com saudade de ti, deixa louca de beijo, sabor, chamado de safada. O espelhado, nós dois suados, é puxão de cabelo, é tapa na rola.
I love this song so much. Gusttavo, Lima, I'm looking for you here in Brazil. I want to see you. I love your song, guys. I love your song, Gusttavo. Gusttavo Lima. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment, and also press on the subscription bell. If you press on the subscription bell, you wouldn't pay anything. It's for free. So why don't you guys subscribe to me, guys. Adios.